Crack the battery door on your Sony A1. Don't panic, replacing it is simpler than you think following these steps. First, ensure your camera is completely powered off. It's crucial to avoid any active power to the camera when manipulating delicate components like the battery door. Locate the small lock switch adjacent to the battery door itself. This switch prevents accidental opening during use. With your thumb or fingertip, gently slide this lock switch to the unlock position. You should feel a slight click or resistance as it moves. Now, find the battery door release button. It's usually a small, slightly recessed button right beside the door's edge. Press this button firmly, and the battery door will spring open. You can now see the battery compartment inside. To remove the battery, press the battery release tab and slide the battery out smoothly. Remember to handle your batteries with care. Now, to remove the door itself, observe the small hinge at one end. There's a tiny ledge or tab that keeps it attached. Carefully and gently, using a fingernail or a plastic prying tool, if you have one, lift the hinge end of the door away from the camera body. It should detach with minimal force. You'll notice a small slot on the camera body where the hinge tab resides. Make sure this area is clean and free of debris before attempting to reattach a new door. When attaching a new door, align the hinge tab on the door with the corresponding slot on the camera body. Press the hinge end of the new door firmly into the slot. You may hear a gentle pop when it correctly seats. Then, close the new battery door and slide the lock switch back to the lock position to secure it. Your Sony A1 battery door is now replaced, and your gear is safe.